So today guys, in just under a few minutes, we're going to show you how to use LRC15 Leather Prep on the surface of this classic car seat. Leather Prep is designed to remove some of the surface colour, ready to carry out any restoration process that you need to carry out, or to do any repairs to the coloured surface of your classic car seat. So first of all, let's get some gloves on. Anybody with a skin irritation, it is advised that you do wear gloves. Even if you haven't, just wear them. It's obviously better for you, even though it's a water-based product that is very environmentally friendly. So this is really ultra safe to use. It is water-based. It is not a solvent, so it's great for the planet. It is, it's great for you, and it is just brilliant because it's water-based. So it's ultra safe as well. So that's the good thing. But as with anything, always wear gloves, when using. And again, confined spaces, make sure you've got plenty of ventilation when using any product that you're going to use. So what we're going to do, we've got a white terry towel cloth here, rag. We are going to spray. You can put a little bit of cloth in between here if you wanted to and soak that up. But what we can do is just spray directly. One thing I'm going to go and show you is this here on the cap. You can see this little bit here that moves around. You can see that moving. Just there, it's moved. That is a lock cap. When that's in the centre, so it's directly in line with the front of the cap, and you can see this here, directly in line with it, that is a lock cap. If you move that either left or right, that unlocks the cap so that you can then spray look. If that is in that lock position, you cannot actually spray that through. It will not work. So make sure you unlock that before trying to use that, because you will break the triggers. So this is how we're going to do it. Spray on some leather prep onto your cloth, or, pour it on to the cloth inside, and then we're going to rub over the surface here. Very simply. Sounds rather harsh, but it isn't really that harsh. We don't need to take a lot of the colour off. All we need to do is, if you're doing a colour repair, you just need to take a very small amount of the colour off using the LRC15 Leather Prep. Just a very small amount of the colour. Just wipe that over the surface. You don't have to put a lot of pressure on there. Just wipe over the surface to remove the colour, and you can see there, like some colour is coming off on the pad. That's exactly all we need to do. And then just wipe that down. It's as easy as that. And there you go, look, there's all your colour coming off onto your cloth. Simple. That is exactly how you would prepare your seats to have a colour, colour repair, or to do some scuff repairs and stuff like that. That is LRC15 from the Leather Repair Company, and that is exactly how you would prep your seats. You just do the whole seat like that. Very simple. leatherrepaircompany.com.